So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download and install Roblox app on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Play Store. After opening the Play Store app, you have to search for the game called Roblox, just like this. Then you will find a app just like here, Roblox, that has already have been downloaded 1 billion times. So you have to click on this app. Then you will find a option called download or install. Then you have to install the Roblox app from here. So I have already installed the game, so I will show you that how you can play it. So after installing the game Roblox, you have to go to on your, you can find it on your apps option, otherwise you have to go through this gaming hub and you will find it here. Okay, so after opening the Roblox, now you can see you can play all the Roblox mode from here. So this is how you can play Roblox on your mobile phone and Android. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.